It's easy to start your learning on ewant. First, go to www.ewant.org and create an account with your email. Select a language. We now offer traditional Chinese, simplified Chinese, and English versions. Click on Login or Register. Click on Create New Account. Questions with asterisks at the end are required to answer. For country of residence, if you are from Thailand, please select Thailand. Choose a language you prefer. Click on I understand and agree to ewant terms and service, and then click on Create My New Account to start your application. You'll receive an email to verify your account. Click or copy the link provided to verify your information. Enter your email and password and click on Login. Click on Global Asia MOOCs. Select Creative and Business Administration. Click on the logo to enter the class. Click on Enroll Course to start learning. On the left vertical menu, click on Videos. You may find our course videos, and we provide 4 different subtitles for you to choose. Click on Assignment Quiz. You may do your assignment and quizzes online. Remember to click on Submit All and Finish to complete the process. We recommend you enroll other courses of this course series in advance. Our assistant administrator will inform you once the classes start. Please enjoy your learning with ewant.